All right, so we've got the hair. I think I bumped it too hard on this side, but she turned out very, very well. I really like her. So let me pull up the deets for this wig, y'all. I purchased this with my own money. So this is a UNice wig. And I purchased it with my own coins. Now, I'm gonna tell you, when I unboxed it last night, it did have the corn chip smell, and I wasn't feeling it. And even though it had the corn chip smell, I was like, okay, I was gonna shampoo the wig anyway, you know, I was gonna do that because just like brushes, I do not put wigs on my hair that I haven't shampooed. So let me tell y'all the deets on this. So this is the UNice Bye-Bye Knots 7x5 lace black to chestnut brown ombre yaki bob wig. Guess how much I got this wig for? $99. You know I will be linking it. I will be linking it. But after I shampooed her, she was good. She was good. She dried overnight. Let me see anything else I need to let y'all know. She's 10-inch. She's a 10-inch bob. So I wanted to start out with something short. I don't really like long hair. Even though I do have a couple of long wigs in the cart right now, but I just wanted to start out with something manageable that that I would like. And let me see. Let me turn around. Oops. So I probably need to flat iron a little bit more in the back, but I like her. I think she's pretty. I really do. And so, yeah, this is my UNice Bye-Bye Knots wig, 7x5, and she was only $99. Now, I've been trying to see, can I get a coupon code for y'all? If I find one, I will link it right along with the wig. So I'm going to link the wig in ShopMy and LTK. But she turned out really, really cute. I really, really like her. I love the color. I love that she goes from black to brown. And as you can see, it didn't start out. I put the side part. It didn't start out like this. So you can do the middle part. I think I just like side parts. But yeah. Okay. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna loosen this over here so that they can almost, I need them to almost, you know, match. Okay, we almost got it. I just tightened it too. I was gripping on them flat irons. But let me know what y'all think about this wig. I think she cute. All right, y'all stay blessed and stay safe. Hey, so this part of the video is the actual unboxing of my UNice wig. So I have to do it in a different order. It's nighttime. And I want to shampoo my wig, so I have to unbox it. In order for me to unbox it, I got to show y'all what I got in the box. All right, so I've had this, I want to say, for like 2 weeks, and a lot of times I haven't felt good. So I hadn't wanted to open it. But tomorrow I'm supposed to film, and I want to rock my new wig because I don't have my braids. So here we go. So here is UNice. I can't believe I let it sit around this long, but like I said, with me taking Ozempic, a lot of times I don't feel good. Okay, so here's the box. So let's see what all you get. You get a wannabe UNice ambassador. Oh, so you get a wig cap, an HD wig cap, and a wig. I thought there were gonna be extras. No extras? Oh, maybe they're in the bag. So what I got is, oh, it says hair disinfected Bye-Bye Knots 7.5 lace wig. Let me see. I thought it's supposed to be like a lot of extra goodies. Oh, okay. First off, I don't like the smell. So it comes with these Bye-Bye Knots. Oh. And it also comes with a strap. I guess the only thing you get extra is the wig cap. So here she is. And she is short. I wanted it bob length. And I've got to wash it, y'all. I cannot. I just like brushes. I just can't. I can't put this wig on my head knowing I haven't shampooed it and conditioned it. So here she is. And yes, I wanted it short. Now I want to take this off because what I want to do is see. Let me open it. So this is how much space is on there, and you get the, let's see what's in the bag. You get a comb in the back and an adjustable strap. Y'all, I used to rock wigs years ago a lot, and I stopped doing it. So you got that adjustable strap and that one comb, and that's it. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna put it on. I just wanna, oh, wait a minute. So here is, and I don't have any of the, what's the name to, I got my hair in a ponytail. I don't have any bleach, but I'm just gonna, I just want to see. I got brushes. Let me see. Oh, I'm going to have fun with her. I am going to have fun with her, but I am going to shampoo and condition her. Now, my hair sticks out on the side. Let's see if I bring it. I like the color. So now that I have unboxed it with y'all, now I can go in there and shampoo and condition it and let it dry. So it'll be ready for tomorrow. All right, stay tuned for the rest of the video. know what? I don't want to use anything except for the hair wax stick, because I really don't want to. I don't mind melting everything down, but I'm going to pull this wig off. And so I'm going to speed this part up where I'm just going to flat iron the hair. And yeah, so let's do that.
Nobody told you this before, but you outshine the sun. The type that I've been looking for. I've seen you inside my dreams. So baby, come a little closer. Know that you are the only one. I wanna see your body move. Don't be afraid. And baby, keep the lights on. And baby, keep the lights on. So can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. This world can be an ugly place. Sometimes it brings out the worst in us. But when I see your pretty face, it all fades away. Yeah. Let me climb up your mountain. Let me search through your valleys. I got my eyes wide open. Baby, don't hide. And baby, keep the lights on. And baby, keep the lights on. Yeah, can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. Baby, keep the lights on. Baby, keep the lights on. Yeah, can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. I wanna see your body move. Yeah. I wanna see your body move. I wanna see your body move. Oh, I gotta see your body move. So can we keep the lights on? And baby, keep the lights on. And can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. Keep the lights on. And baby, keep the lights on. And can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. All lights on you. All lights on. And can we